Hi everybody, Joshua Lawetta, President of KBG Insurance and Financial. I wanted to make a quick video today and talk to everybody about scheduled personal property. This is something that we ask all our clients on renters, condos, homeowners policies, anything that could be scheduled, such as guns, jewelry, art, furs, collectibles, coins, things like that. It's something that, isn't really talked about like we believe it should be. And I heard a statistic the other day. I was listening to some webinar I was on, and they said the number one claim on E&O insurance is scheduled personal property, and that covers not being on a customer's policy. And it comes down to the agent asking the customer, do you have any scheduled personal property you'd like to include on your policy? So that is something that we do in our office. Every policy we sell, we ask, do you have any scheduled personal property? Like I said, for all home policies, rentals, renter's insurance, home insurance, condo insurance. So I wanted to bring up a little bit of information just to show everybody how cheap it really is, just to give you an idea. So scheduled personal property and scheduled coverage, and this is with Safeco Insurance, for example, but a lot of the insurance companies are the same. So talking to your agent and letting them know, hey, we do have some guns that are worth, say, $5,000, or have some jewelry that's worth, a few $1,000s that we would like to add into our policy, because most policies only cover up to a certain limit. So Safeco Insurance, for example, what's standard is $2,500 for jewelry. So if you have a ring that's worth $10,000 and something were to happen to it, I'd imagine you'd want that ring to be replaced, not just $2,500 worth of it. So itemized personal property is just what it sounds like. You can add it to your policy. If you have a wedding set, for example, and a wedding band, you want to add that, well, you can add that in there, and it just needs to have an appraisal with it, which I'm sure having a ring at a value like that, you'd have an appraisal. Just to give you an idea of the cost of what it is. So let's start with guns here, for example. So cameras, guns, stamp and coin collections, comics, and trading cards. $1 per $100. So if you took, let's say you had $10,000 in guns that you wanted to have protected, that'd cost you, take that, 100 goes into 10,000 100 times, or 100 times, excuse me. Take that, times it by $1. That'd cost you $100 a year. Now let's look at jewelry. Same example. Say you have a wedding set that costs $10,000. That's the value of it. Divide that by 100 per $100 equals $100. Times that by 0.90. You're looking at $90 a year to get that scheduled, so all your property would be replaced, all your scheduled personal property in the gun example, and then also your jewelry. So just something I wanted to touch base on. If you have any questions, talk to your local agent or who you currently have insurance with, and make sure your scheduled personal property is on there and covered correctly. As you can see, the coverage is not that expensive. $1 per $100 for guns, 90 cents per $100 for valued jewelry, silverware 35 cents per $100. Arts, 30 cents per $100, musical instruments and property not otherwise classified, including electronic systems and furs, 40 cents per $100. So as you can see, the coverage is not that expensive, yet it protects you even more. So give us a call today if you have any questions at 509-242-3244. Also, my email is joshua@kbgagency.com. If you have any questions, I would love to help you out and answer any questions you may have, and possibly get you a free insurance quote. So hope you have a great night, and thanks for watching.